And so I want Amie to come on and share with you, because when she launched her business, you guys, she was working 2 jobs. Okay. And so she was able to fit this in. So Amie, I'll let you take it away, my friend.
All right. Awesome. Welcome, everybody. And you know what? Yeah. As a single mom, I got a divorce, was single, and trying to raise these kids on my own. When one job wasn't enough, I literally got a second job, and for 3 years straight was working 18 hours a day. And I also want to mention that I knew nothing about the online world. I knew nothing about sales or any of this kind of stuff, right? Didn't even know what digital marketing was. My daughter put me on TikTok, and that's how I came across it. Never dreamed I could ever do something like this, let alone fit it into 18 hours that I was already working. But because of the processes that we follow and we're given step by step, you can do this throughout your day in 15-minute increments, 30-minute increments. And that's exactly what I did. I would 30 minutes in the morning, every lunch break, every in between jobs, in the evenings, I would spread my few hours throughout the day and do my income earning activities. I didn't even think this was possible for somebody like myself. No knowledge, single mom, already struggling financially, and just trying to get by every day. It was a struggle. And this gave me hope. Just a few days in, seeing all the mentorship inside of the community, and it was so easy to start learning about the products and what they were teaching and how I could create content on social media. I could actually talk about things that I knew nothing about because I finally was learning the proper definitions of what they were. Then I could start helping people just like me. Because when you're burned out and you're tired of struggling, you start looking for something different, something better. That's exactly where I was. I was at the end of my rope. And this literally has changed my life. I went from working 18 hours a day, and in just 10 weeks inside of this program, I was able to quit both of those jobs, going from not knowing even how to create a video on social media. I didn't know anything, but it's a step-by-step process of not only how you can earn an income online, but then you can teach others the same by promoting all 4 of these products. While you're learning, you're also earning. And that's exactly what I did. Guys, I've been in for 18 months. I've been able to learn how to add additional streams of income. I've made multiple 6 figures. But when I say this to you, I mean this. It's not always about the money. It was my time freedom that I wanted more than anything. I wanted to be a part of my family, and I wasn't. I was always the mom at work, trying to fit it in. I was mentally exhausted, physically exhausted. And it's hard to be broke. Y'all know. It's hard to be broke. I just had to choose my heart. Learn something new. That was hard, yeah. But then it became easy. And I got excited about it. And then I seen that I was helping others get out of their situation. That's what this is about. It's not all about it, right? I've been able to multiply my income by 5 times every single month just by what I've learned from the products. You can fit this in your already busy schedule. Don't, because you know what? You got a phone. And 99% of what I do is on this phone. You have your phone with you 24/7.
Mhm.
You can do this from it. It can generate you income while you're sleeping, while you're spending time with your family, while you're working your way out of that job that you want to get out of really badly. Just have faith that it can happen for you, because all the cards were stacked against me that it wouldn't work. I'm living proof 18 months into this. This is long term. I know you.